Let's look at Google's Whiteboard feature called JamBoard. While logged into your Google Drive, go to New, More, Google Jamboard. And here's your whiteboard. Note you have a pen here, an eraser, sticky notes. You can add pictures, and you have a laser. And if you choose a pen, you could choose your color and the type of pen. And of course, you can use a mouse or a stylus or your finger as long as you have a touch screen. And the eraser will erase whatever you wrote. You could add a sticky note and basically post it onto your whiteboard. And you can insert pictures, or you can add pictures from My Drive, or you can do a Google image search. And here is a laser if you wanted to point things out to emphasize things. You can change the background. And once one whiteboard is full, you can just tap the arrow up here to go to the next one. And now we're at 2 of 2. You can always go back to the other one. Then if you share, and then note the options you have, just like other Google documents. You could share it with anyone or people just within your network or specific people, and you could give them view or edit access. And of course, you could save your Jamboard. Just tap at the top left and give it a name. Tap OK.